Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gabby, aka Mocha, and if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing because I'm here weekly with natural hair care tips, natural hair care routines, natural cute hairstyles. Whatever your preference is, I got you. It's in my videos, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're not missing out on any of my videos. Okay guys, so let's get into today's video. Today's video is just going to be on me refreshing my curls. I have washed my hair a couple days ago. It's just a leave-in conditioner in my hair, but my hair is a little dry, so I just wanted to bring my hair back to life. And I'm going to be using Curl my hair, Curl Gel Activator. I never used this hair gel before. I've seen a lot of girls use this, natural girls use this, and I've seen a lot of great results. So I'm like, okay, let me use this. I'm not gonna lie, like I said, I've never seen this before. Only time I thought of a curl was Jheri curls, or if guys wanted wavy hair or curly hair, a different texture in their hair. That's the only time I've heard about this. So I didn't know anything about this, and it's really cheap. So I'm like, okay, let me use this in my hair just to bring my curls back to life, get some definer curls. And along with that, I'm going to be using the Extreme gel on my hair. So I've heard and seen videos that girls say that this product is very loose. It doesn't really hold the curls too well, so they go along and add in a gel or something else in their hair. So that's why I got the Extreme. I never use this product either. I've always thought it will like make my curls really hard and crunchy, but I never really heard anything bad about this product. So let's see these results, guys. Okay, so let's see this hair. I mean, I have been using my scarf and everything at night. I have been doing better. As you can see, my hair is, you know, it's okay. It's not too bad. So I never used this before, and it kind of scared me a little bit. I was like, wait, what the hell? Yeah, listen to this. I was like, what is it doing? It just sprays like it's kind of cool because you don't have to keep spraying, so you just go up and down, but still, don't scare me like that. Don't. Okay, so they also have a curl spray along with this, but I don't know, for some reason in my mind I still feel like it's a texturizer, whatever. And I'm like, let me just stick to this and my little spray and my Extreme gel. So okay, so moment of truth. Doesn't smell anything, but it smells like somewhat of a man's cologne, if that makes sense. See, I told you it was for men. It has to be. Feels really loose and slippery. Now I'm gonna go in and use the Extreme gel. I'm a little nervous about this too. Like I said, I never tried this before, but I just hope it doesn't make my hair crunchy. I don't have time for that. So far with the Curl and the Extreme gel mixed together, and this is how it looks. It feels really a little sticky, not too sticky. It's just, you know, I have to see how it looks after it dries up, but it definitely gets your hair like super curly. I mean, my hair is already curly, but it's like it really defines your curls. So let's continue. section of my hair. I mean, I have no critiques about it, but it just, my hair feels like super wet, I guess. I don't know, but I just feel like a wet dog. Like, I look like a poodle. I don't know. I mean, I'm not really of a wash and go type of person, like wash your hair and then go. I know some people do that and then their hair is like super drenched and then they let it dry over time, but looking at this, I can tell this is going to take a long time for my hair to like completely dry up, but this is what I have so far. After applying the X Curl and the Xtreme on my hair. So this is my hair so far. As you can see, it's like, it looks super wet and it still feels, well, of course it's gonna feel that way because I just put everything on, but it's a little like sticky a little bit and it just feels greasy. I know I've seen a lot of girls say that as well, but this is my hair after applying everything. I don't know, I'm just getting like Eazy-E vibes, Michael Jackson, Jheri Curl vibes. I mean, I'm not, like I said, I'm not a wash and go type of person, so I never just like sat there and put gels and conditioner products in my hair and just let it dry like this. So, which should be interesting. And it takes a long time for my hair to dry, so I'll be back to show you guys the results. Okay guys, so this is my hair after like a couple hours. It's a little dry at the bottom, but at the top it's like a little wet. Just let your soul glow. I can't stand him. He's so annoying. Okay guys, so this is my hair after basically 24 hours. It's completely dry. I know it looks like it's still wet, but it's not at all. It's super dry. I like how curly my hair is, but I do not like the shrinkage. My hair is like super short. It looks like I have no length or stretchness to my hair at all. That's the only con I do not like about this. But I mean, I like how my curls are like super defined. I've seen a lot of girls say that the X Curl had their hair feeling greasy or they felt it on their neck. I don't have those problems. The Xtreme gel did not make my hair feel crunchy at all. My hair feels super soft too. But I'm not leaving my hair like this. I look like a little girl or a poodle. So let's see what I want to do. Okay guys, so these are the final results of my hair. I love how super defined my curls are. My hair feels super soft. I love it. I have no critiques about these products. The only thing I would say is I hate how much my hair shrunk up and I look like somebody's little girl. My hair kind of looks like ramen noodles, but other than that, I have no critiques about this product. This product really brought my curls to life, and that's exactly what I was looking for because you've seen earlier, my hair was looking super dry. But, you know, after I kind of jazzed my hair up a little bit, I was like, okay, got cute, and I'm like, okay, I love this. I like it. I would definitely try this again, especially if I want to do a wash and go or if I want to refresh my curls again. The only thing I would say also too is it does take a while for your hair to dry. I would say that. It doesn't take 24 hours. I just did that because I thought maybe my hair would kind of have a little bit more volume when I wake up in the morning, but no, that didn't happen. Sorry. It said no. But, I mean, like I said, I love how everything came out. It's super cute. So if you do like this video, guys, I do thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.